This stupid easy 3-step strategy will take your budget TikTok videos from 200 views to millions of views within 7 days. And no, it's not about posting on the right hours. This video is for people who take this seriously, with personal brands and businesses. So if you just wanna play around and have the attention span of a toddler, you can leave this video right now. The rest of you love you and keep notes. So I'm assuming you're growing your personal brand or your business, and you're posting your shorts on every single platform: Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, or whatever. So that means that you should edit your videos on CapCut or Premiere Pro and editing software and then upload them to TikTok, right? Wrong! Every single platform has a different type of format and a different type of style of video that it prefers and chooses those videos to go viral. For example, Instagram prefers its videos to be more fancy, more polished. I'm sure most of the videos you see there that are more professional, let's say, are well edited. They are like watching a YouTube video within Instagram as a short. TikTok is the complete opposite. It wants the video to look more native to the app. It wants it to be recorded, edited and uploaded through your mobile phone. No PC, no laptop, no iPad, nothing. But that doesn't mean it should be crappy or boring. You have to find the sweet spot where it looks native and it looks like you actually picked up the phone and made the video, but it looks good quality and you have put time into it. That also means your ideas should be great. And every edit should be made within the app. So simple stuff like simple transitions, simple captions within the TikTok app, maybe green screen effects, some simple images here and there, and great ideas. And wait until the last step, because this is what will take this simple idea to the next level. If you're not gonna watch it all the way through, you're gonna remain a failure. Step 2: abusing new features. Step 2 and 3 are way more important, so make sure you take notes. So TikTok every few months rolls new features, and it wants those features to be used. So it takes videos that use those features, boost them up and make them go viral. So right now there is a new feature that TikTok promotes, and it is the text feature. It came out pretty recently and videos are going crazy viral right now.
Say hi.
And new features come out almost always, so there is almost no period of time where you won't go viral using this method. For example, combine the text feature with your niche, but don't overdo it. It's a supplement, not our main focus. And this will take us to the most important step. Step number 3, the onion content. Your videos must have layers, just like an onion, but that onion must be good as well. But first of all, if you have a boring ass video, nobody is gonna watch it. Nobody cares about a boring idea. I personally wouldn't even watch it if you paid me to review your video. I don't care. TikTok wants you to create a video that is a good onion, and that good onion must have layers. And those layers are different stuff within the video. For example, you might have something weird behind you. I've used that many times and it works. Or you might have spelled something wrong. It's kinda an engagement bait, but not exactly, because you might have extra stories within your story, and kinda like having side quests within the video, but only if it fits your niche. Over dramatizing things fits in every niche. Take for example Ryan Trahan's video. He goes to visit the loneliest island, but if he says I'm gonna visit a lonely island, let's be real, you're not gonna watch it. But if you present it in a more dramatic way, like he does,
This is the loneliest house in the world. Oh, it's so lonely, no. There are tons of conspiracy theories around it. Like some people think a billionaire built this place in case of a zombie apocalypse. Some people think it's like a religious cult.
then you're definitely gonna watch it. Even some good editing details can be used as extra layers. It's a psychological thing that makes people wanna watch more and boosts your retention rate and boosts your views and makes your video go viral. For example, I tested the video on a dead account and I had this thing in the background, as you can see here, and that video performed almost better than any other video on my whole dead page. Make sure you use that wisely and have a good onion and with good layers. So follow these 3 steps consistently and within 7 days you're gonna go viral. I guarantee that. Thank you for sticking around and I hope you took notes, and watch this video next because you're gonna learn a whole lot. See you in there.